Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox Redmi 5, which is Xiaomi has launched recently in India. And the variant I purchased is black with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and also there are other two variants which comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory, and 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal memory. Here comes the product. On the top, great. Now Xiaomi has provided a bumper case for the phone itself. Oh, it's good. Okay, let's take the phone out. And here comes the phone. The phone feels lighter than the other models. The front side of the phone feels fully jet black, and the back side is matte finished, and here is the MI logo. The camera is little bit bumped out, like if you are going to place the phone without the case, then the camera will be resting down on the floor. Here is the fingerprint sensor, and at the top there is a IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And at the right side of the phone there are volume rockers and power button, and at the bottom there are two speaker grills, but only one speaker is available and one is dummy. On the right side there is a speaker, and it comes with a standard 2.0 charging port, and at the left side there is a SIM ejector tool. And other than this, on the box there is some quick start guide from Xiaomi and some warranty informations. And here is the 2.0 USB cable for charging and data transfer, and at the bottom there is a SIM ejector tool. And it comes with the normal power adapter, and it comes with the normal output of 5V 2A power adapter. Okay, let's look at the phone. The phone feels great on the cover. After putting the cover, the back side also looks like jet black. Let's turn on the phone. The phone first time booting with the MI logo on it. On the first time it takes some time to boot out. Let's see the configuration of the phone. Xiaomi Redmi 5 comes with the Snapdragon 450 quad-core processor with 5.7-inch full screen display, 18:1 aspect ratio, with 12 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera with LED selfie light, and it has 3300 mAh battery. It comes with the MIUI 9. As the setup is completed, this is standard Xiaomi's home screen and theme. And guys, the keys are on the screen itself on this Redmi 5. Just full display. Let's see the settings. about phone. It says model number as Redmi 5 and Android version of 7.1. It comes with MIUI 9.2.7. This is a 3GB RAM variant. It comes with the internal storage of 32GB. And Xiaomi says that the camera of this is improved than the before version of this phones. Let's check out the camera. Guys, the fingerprint sensor is very responsive. Let's check out the camera. Camera options are, it comes with the same panorama mode, timer, audio, manual, straighten, beauty, HDT, scenes and tilt shift. And let's see this. Let's check the settings. Camera frame rate is set up as 4:3. Camera quality, picture quality high. Face detection is turned on. Let's check the video options. On video options, it comes with the time lapse. Guys, I think there is no slow motion in this phone. Let's check the settings of the video. The video quality is set to HD on default. We can switch it to full HD, which is 1080p. The focus mode is CAF and time lapse interval. Guys, this phone doesn't support 4K recordings. I will attach the pictures and video taken on this phone. Let's check the sound of the speakers. Wow guys, the speakers sound as best and it's very loud also. Guys, I think the front camera of this Redmi 5 has a lot improved. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down below so that I can improve. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.